Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a sketch of this photo of BTS member Jungkook. This will be a step-by-step tutorial in which I will teach you the whole process of drawing the perfect outline for this photo. Also, I'm going to make a complete series of tutorials for all the BTS members, so this is the first part of that series. You can download this reference photo from the link given in the description. Now let's start the tutorial. So to draw this photo, first of all you need to draw a grid like this on the paper. This is an A4 size paper, so I have taken each square side of 2 cm. The grid is 6 into 6, I mean 6 rows and 6 columns. And as I said, each square side is 2 cm. If your paper size is larger than A4, you can increase the square size accordingly. Like for A3 size paper, you can take 3 cm square. Now let's start the drawing process. Let's start with the eyebrow. So we'll draw the eyebrow in the second row and second column, means this box. Now we'll draw the eye in this row. The second eye is not completely visible, so we will draw it later after drawing the hair. Now we will draw the nose first. Now we will draw the lips. Now let's draw the outline of the head and face. We can start from here. Now I am drawing the outline of the hair. Now we can draw the outline of the second eye, which is partly hidden behind the hair. So now the outline of the face is completed. This was the toughest part in the outline process. After this you can draw the hands, the jacket and all. We can erase the grid lines now. So this is how it looks after erasing the grid lines. So this is how you can perfectly draw the outline of Jungkook. After this, you can either do pencil shading or you can color it with color pencils, markers, whatever you like. You can use watercolors, whatever you like. You can shade or color it accordingly. I will do pencil shading only, and I will upload the complete sketch time-lapse process tomorrow, that is on 31st October. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials of other BTS members and many other tutorials as well. Also, if you will draw it after following my tutorial and if you will post it on social media, you can tag me in the photo or use my hashtag artist from Dogra. I will definitely try to see it. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.